Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to the daily guidance for the day. And this time, like the only reason I've decided to start this on YouTube channel rather than sending it on our separate WhatsApp group, or if you follow me on Instagram, I was like, let's do a deeper reading so that everybody over here can benefit from this because I have just started with another deck today, and the kind of things, like if you see, this is the first time I'm actually writing the whole deeper things in my diary as well, so that I can provide you a deeper reading, whether it's in your health, career, relationship, or your other areas of your life. So let's begin with the first tarot card. So the Raider White card that has come is in the upright position. This card is called Two of Wands. Now I want you to listen to this guidance very carefully and just see in which area of your life is this card connecting, and then I'll use another Osho Zen tarot and my angel cards to express a solution and to help you understand that if there is something that has come up as a problem, how can you deal with that, right? So let's begin with the first part. So Two of Wands, basically this card says somewhere in your life you are standing in a path where you can see two roads, and it's in every area of your life. It's in HRCM, that is health, relationship, career, money. This card basically means that somewhere in your life you are getting confused between two options and you need to decide one. And let me just brief you with the specific part so that you can understand what exactly this says. So when we talk about the Two of Wands in the upright position, this card basically signifies overseas travel, sudden departures, or you may have to move on from your place. Or it's like, when I talk it in terms of your career and money, basically this card says that financial stability is coming on your way. So in order to receive this financial stability, you have two options on your way. It could be related to staying in your current job, or starting a new business, or doing something that takes your career to the next level. Because see, money is in relation to your career. The amount of action steps you're going to take in respect with your career, the similar thing is going to happen in respect with your finances, because this is interconnected. So you need to make a decision wherever you are stuck, whether it's in your business, or whether it's something related to your job. Something is going on in your mind, until the time you won't clear that out, you are not going to go ahead with that one single step that you are resisting to take. Or maybe it is outside your comfort zone, or whatever is stopping you to go ahead. Till the time you don't take it, financial stability is not going to come. The second thing that it says in terms of your love and relationship, so this card Two of Wands is not a good card for your relationships, because somewhere I can sense that there's a lack of happiness in your bond, there's a lack of contentment in your relationship. You both, like you and your partner, is feeling restless, you and your partner is feeling withdrawn. You both are in the relationship, but you have lost that emotional bond, you have lost that trust, you have lost that emotional things that used to tie you both. So this card is it can also suggest the meaning of cheating, like whether it has happened or it may happen in the future, because either of you is confused between a partner and a lover. So even if you are in a relationship, somewhere or the other your partner, you or your partner is having something outside. It's not like they are not committed to anyone, they have not taken that step. But yes, it does suggest that cheating is happening, or it can happen. Now please note that this is not for everyone. Like, you just take out the meaning that is applicable in your relationship, because these cards have a lot of meanings. I think I've already suggested you 2 to 3 meanings right now. So you take the meaning, whatever is applicable for your bond. Don't go like if the card has suggested cheating, the partner is cheating. No, the card of relationship, in respect with relationship, it has somewhere you are lacking the emotional bond, your emotional attachment is lost. It could mean somehow second option is that maybe the partner is confused in you or the other person, or maybe you are the one who is confused. Third thing that can suggest in your relationships, the third option that you can understand through this card is travel card. Like you can consider going traveling, or you can consider changing the current place, so that you can get out of these feelings. And of course, like as I said, that there are two choices in your relationships in front of you. Either you are having or your partner is having, and both the options are very opposite. So if the option A is completely like a shy introvert person, someone who keeps their feelings inside, the other one is more caring, more loving, such things. So this is what the two of wands mean when it comes to your relationships. When I talk about health and spirituality, it's again like in your health, either you can choose to go back to your old habits that have been costing your health, or you can choose to like go ahead, do exercise, do the good habits that the doctor has suggested. So somewhere in your health also something might be happening because of which you're getting confused. And the last thing is spirituality. So what do I mean by spirituality? Spirituality here means that you are getting confused right now whether to go here or whether should I go here. So if you are a spiritual person by any chance, go ahead. The card suggests you to explore your options. If you go on any path and you feel that you are not connecting with it, it's completely fine, come back. Because it's like we all are afraid to make mistakes, to make bad choices. You make the choice and then make it right. Zyada se zyada what will happen, the choice will turn out to cost you something. At least you are going to learn some lesson out of it that the universe wants you to learn. So go ahead, don't be afraid to explore your options. So this is what the two of wands cards mean. Now let me explain you the other Oshos and an angel card, so that whatever has come up in your case, whether it's relationship, career, money, spirituality, or HRCM, anything that you have got, I will be giving you some solution that the other card is telling. And both the cards, Oshos and Tarot and angel card, is saying you a solution that you can apply to deal with these problems. So the Oshos and Tarot has the card, the master card, and the angel card guidance is the guidance of commitment, a very aligned message to what two of wands says. So the solution is Oshos and Tarot master card means that you are the master of your own life. Till the time you are not going to go inside, you will not be able to figure out which decision or which path to take. Like, I don't know if you remember the poem called The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. It's something that we had in school. So the author says that the person in that poem is also confused with these two problems, but he cannot decide ahead till the time you don't go within to understand what exactly do you want. What do you want in your relationships? What do you want in your career, money? What is stopping you? So you need to go deeper in your inner work in order to figure out how can you deal with this problem. Because till the time you won't take that decision, you will keep on feeling stuck, you will keep on feeling what the card has suggested. And the second thing is, once you are clear on your decision, the angels are showing you the card of commitment. Commitment means be committed. Be committed to the road that you're going to choose. If you decide to end up a relationship, be committed, don't turn back. If you decide to work on your health, be committed, don't turn back. Because until and unless you are always going to be in a loop कि आपने start किया but you're not finishing, you will have the same story repeating, the same pattern repeating. Rest you can check out the description. I'll mention some questions for all of you in order to practice this, and I hope this helps you. So from now on, if you are coming from my QLA group or if you are coming from my Instagram stories, subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing my readings over here, because from now on they are going to be a little deeper. I'll show you the cards once again. This is what the Two of Wands cards was. This is the Osho Zen Master card, and this is the Angel card, Commitment. Right? Check out the description for more, for some exercises to help you get clarity. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment section. I would be happy to help you. And do subscribe to my channel. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.